Hi guys, before we get into today's workout, I just want to hop on here to let you know that I did use some really fun pop songs for today's Express Barre ballet inspired workout. I want to also let you know that the songs obviously can't be in the actual video itself due to copyright reasons. That being said, I did put all of the song titles and names of the artists who sing them or perform them in the description box, as well as overlaid in the video itself. So if you do want the exercises to match the music perfectly and you want to use my music, go ahead and make yourself a little playlist before we get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Let's begin this Express Barre workout with a warm-up. Starting from the tops of our heads, let's tilt our ear to our right shoulder, chin to chest, left ear to left shoulder, and up, and continue going to the right, and down, and left, and up. Let's reverse to the right, and down, left, and up. Last time to the right, and down, left, and up. Let's turn our head to the right and to the left, and again to the right and left. Two more times, to the right and left, and last time. Then we look up and down, look up and down. Nice big stretch. Last time, let's look up without crunching the back of our neck and look down. Let's roll out our shoulders up and back. 8. And we have 7. And let's go for 6. And we have 5. 4 more. 4. Let's reverse this time. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Next, let's reach our right hand up and over our head, point through the right toe, sit back into a squat with your knees parallel. Again, reach the left hand up and over, and sit back into a squat, really reaching our right hand up and over, extending our right foot, and sit back to a squat. Last time, reach the left hand up and over, and let's sit down to a squat. Go ahead and pop that right heel, and we're gonna bounce while we're down here in this squat. Let's bounce for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We stand up to switch sides. Pop the left heel, bounce for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we stand up. Let's do that again. Pop our right heel, squat for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Last time, pop the left heel for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Stand up, take your feet nice and wide into a big second position. Don't lose your balance. Inhale, exhale, we squat low. And again, inhale, grand plie down. Really make sure your belly button's moving towards your spine and your knees are over top of your toes. Let's do 5 more. Inhale as we go up, exhale as we go down. Again for 4, and exhale. 3 more, almost there. Let's go. And down. 2 more. 2. And down. Last 1. Reach up. And we're going to stay down here. Pop your right heel. We bounce for 8, 7. Little pulses for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch heels for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. Pop that right foot. Reach the left hand up and over into a nice deep side bend, maintaining our balance with our right heel popped. Bring it back to the center and switch sides. Pop the left heel, reach the right hand up and over, and back to the center. Let's do that again. Pop the right heel, reach the left hand up and over, and back to center. Pop the left heel, reach the right hand up and over, and back to center. Beautiful. Take your arms in front, and we're going to twist our upper body only towards the right and center. And again to the left. If you need to come up an inch, go ahead and do so. I know this is really challenging on the thighs. We're almost there. Keep going. Let's do a couple more. And relax, stretch it out. Put your hands on your thighs or your knees, and then let's gently point our toes and our knees to face the front and slide our hands down to our ankles. Maybe grab opposite elbows while you're down here. Now let's take our left hand towards our right toe, right hand up to the sky, bend the right knee, and switch sides. Take the right hand to the left toe, reach the left hand up and over, bend into the left knee, bring it back to the center, bend both knees, and let's roll all the way up through our spine. Nice and easy. Place your hands on your hips. We're going to hinge at our hips. Chin and chest are the last things to go down. Bend your knees at the bottom here and roll up through the spine again. Let's look up. Inhale, tilt at the hips. Bend forward in a nice, delicious hamstring stretch. Bend the knees and roll up. Beautiful. Make your way to your bar/chair. If you're using a chair like I'm using, just make sure that you're being super aware of your surroundings. Let's go ahead and get started with our right hand on the bar, left arm open in a little first position. We're going to do 4 demi-pliés. Let's make sure the knees are going over top of the toes for 4. And stretch again for 3. And stretch. Let's go for 2. And stretch. Last one. We're going to pop the left heel and bounce for 8. 7. Option to take the hand up and over. 4, 3, 2, 1. We start that again. 4 demi-pliés. 4. And 3. And 2. Last one. Pop the left heel. Reach the left hand up and over. Pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that 2 more times. Demi-plié down. And stretch, making a little diamond shape each time, really going straight down and straight up. Last one, we pulse it out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last time, guys, we've got this. Let's plie for 4, and 3, and 2. Almost there. I know the legs are tired. Let's pulse it out. Pop the left heel for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's take that wide second position again. Pop the left heel, arm open to the side, and we're going to go down to a grand plie with our left heel popped. Let's do that again for 3. And stretch. And again, 2. And stretch. Last time, 1. We're going to flip towards a split squat here for 4. And open it back up to grand plie with that same heel popped. So again, flip towards your bar or chair, hips and shoulders are square, and open. Let's do that 2 more times. Flip towards the chair and open it. Last time, flip towards the chair and we open it, and we start all again from the beginning of that. So we go up and we go down for 4, and that left heel still lifted for 3, and lift, and 2. Last one, we're gonna pulse it here. Let's lift the arm if you want, and we pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip towards your bar, and we pulse it in a split squat here, arms off. Let's pulse it out. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push into the floor with your left foot and stand forward on your left leg. Let's step back with our left foot again in that split squat. Stepping back and push to stand forward. Let's do that 2 more times. Standing back and push to stand forward. Last time, let's stand back and push to step forward. Beautiful. Shake out your legs, and let's put both feet flat on the floor. We lift the heels up and down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep going. 3, and 2. Double time. 1. Let's go for 16, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's see if we can balance here with our heels super high and super lifted. Take those arms off the bar, lift them up, and lower down. Take a step back with your left foot in a right leg stretch. Switch feet. Let's get ready to repeat everything to the second side. So go ahead and move your bar, grab some water if you need a drink, and we start with our first position, demi-pliés. Let's go down for 4, and stretch again for 3, and 2. Last one, pop the right heel, we bounce for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, demi-pliés for 4. In this first position, make sure all 10 toes are on the floor, and make sure that when you go down, your knees are over top of your toes. Let's bounce for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, demi-plies 4 times. You've got this. 4 and 3. Really close off the rib cage here. 2. Last one. Pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, guys. You've got this. Let's go down and up for 4. I was so shaky and tired here. 3 and 2, 1. And let's pulse it out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a step out with both feet and lift the right heel. We go down and up for 4. And let's go again for 3. And we have 2. Last one, 1. And then we flip towards our chair/bar in a split squat and open up the shoulders and the hips again. Let's go for 3. Really making sure that when we're facing our bar, our hips are square and our shoulders are square. Beautiful. And last one. And open. We start again. Standing up, second position, lift the right heel, and we go down for 4. 3. Then we have 2. And 1, and then we pulse it out here. Let's pulse it out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip towards your chair, and we pulse it out. Arms off the floor in our split squat. Little inch up and down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're not done yet. Push to stand on your right foot, and then we take a step back with our left foot again in a split squat. Standing up and go down into that lunge. Again, lift up and down and up and down. Almost there, guys, and up and relax. Beautiful. This time, take your feet together in a first position. We lift our heels. 8 and 7. Try to control the landing. 6. I know we're so tired here. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Of course, you guessed it. 1. We do 16 lowers and lifts for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Amazing job, you guys. Stretch out your calves and your legs. All right, guys, last portion of today's bar workout. Take a first position. You're going to take your left leg behind you, bend into your supporting leg, make one long line from the top of your head to your toes, and lift the leg up and down. Again, up and down, up and down, up. Let's do 4 more. We have 4 and 3 and 2. Last one, find an attitude derriere. Flex the foot if you need and pulse it for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Make sure that your supporting leg is rotated and your knee is bent and in line with your first and second toe. Let's lift and lower again for 8. In this arabesque line. 7, try not to crunch your back. Only lift the leg as high as you can, keeping a nice and long lower back. Keep going. Let's have 3 and 2. Last one, bend the knee. Find that attitude derriere for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. You've got this. I know it's so tiring. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a step back with the same left leg and right leg forward in a triangle stretch. You've earned it. Go ahead and take your hands on the floor if you would like. Then let's find a lunge position. Take a step back with your left leg, bend into your right knee to really stretch out the hips. Option 2, point the toe open to the corner and reach around with your right hand to grab your back foot for a quad stretch. This is well deserved. I know you guys must be so tired because I know I was. Go ahead and push back into a hamstring stretch, and an option to find a pigeon with your right knee bent, left leg behind you. Beautiful. Walk your hands in front. And with the final stretch, we're going to flip our hips and shoulders to the front, reach the right hand up and over, left leg out to the side, and don't worry, I did not forget about the second side. Go ahead and stand up again. We are going to do the second side. Right leg is behind us this time. Make sure you have space behind you. Bend into the supporting leg, which should be your left leg now. I apologize, I'm facing the other way, but let's lift the leg up and down for 8, 7, 6, almost there. 5, you've made it. We only have 2 minutes left. 4, and 3, 2. Last one, bend the knee, flex the foot, pulse it up for 16, 15, 14, 13. Imagine you're trying to get the outside of your calf and the outside of your knee to get to the ceiling. So little lifts and pulses. Again, lift the leg up and down, straight knee for 8, 7, 6, as we tap the toe down, don't let your toes crunch. Let's go for 4, 3, 2. Last one, bend the knee, pulse it out, 16, you've got this, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a big triangle stretch, relax. Guys, we made it through the entirety of this express ballet-inspired bar workout. Take a step into a lunge with your left leg forward and point the toe to the corner, reach around and grab your back foot. Beautiful. Let's sit back into a hamstring stretch with the left leg forward and then find a pigeon stretch. Again, I apologize. I have the opposite leg forward, and then walk your hands in front, stretch out the left glute, and let's walk back up and flip towards the side, both hips and shoulders facing the same direction. Reach the left hand up and over. And guys, before we go, let's take a nice deep stretch. I was so sweaty by the end. Oh my goodness. Let's crisscross one leg on top. I put my left leg on top of my right, twist against the leg, and then go ahead and put your heel on top of your knee and knee on top of your heel in a well-deserved, delicious glute stretch. Walk the hands forward. We will do the same thing on the second side. So this time, go ahead and reach the right leg up and over, plant it flat on the floor, twist against the right thigh. And once again, let's place the heel on the knee, knee on the heel, and then walk our hands forward in a nice, well-deserved glute stretch. Finally, let's take our feet together in a butterfly. Reach forward, stretch out your hips and your back. Option to let your legs go forward and hamstring stretch. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. I know this was not an easy workout. This was definitely an express challenge. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
Mm-hmm.